Good afternoon, everybody. Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax coming to you from the beautiful Hillsborough Mile. Today I have the privilege of showing you a 2015 Pursuit 345 Offshore. Great fishing or cruising machine. These are twin 350 Yamahas. I've got a freshwater shower to wash down back there. Under gunnel rod holders. Full prep station with sink and grill and a pull-out seat. All the coaming pads are removable if you want to make a big bloody mess up here on the deck while fishing. Over here on this side, a couple rod holders and a nice freezer compartment here. Easy access to the bow from both sides. Metal tow rails. Live well here in the transom. And fish box in the transom wall as well. Full enclosure. Fiberglass hardtop with opening port lights. Big seating in here. This boat does have the optional air conditioning for this area of the boat. You see a vent there, vent back there, another one on the other side. Single captain's chair with armrests. Twin Garmin 7212s, VHF, your Yamaha gauges. This boat does have a bow thruster as well as electric tabs. Big opening window forward. Two doors to this big cabin, one with a screen in it. Those are the filler cushions to make a bed. That is a power actuated table there. Everything nice and clean in here. All the port lights look ship shape, no drips. Nice wood paneling. Glass basin, vacuum flush head. He keeps a dehumidifier in here. You do get the stall shower when you bring the bifold doors out. Mid cabin with its own seat and dresser. Nice big bed back here. Beautiful wood floors throughout the boat. Galley with a sink, 2-burner stove, Frigidaire microwave, and what looks to be a new fridge to me. All right, call Michael Ehrlich at MarineMax, 954-684-1375 to check out this Pursuit 345 Offshore. Thank you.